and welcome to this week's edition of Play CCN, which is brought to you by Zone. I'm your host, Sandra Rossi, editor of Climate Control News. Well, Toshiba's weak financial results have raised questions about the buyout deal by Japan Industrial Partners. A Bloomberg report said the consortium may reduce its offer for Toshiba to $16 billion. Just last week, Toshiba cut its full-year operating profit outlook after a 75% slump in second quarter profit. Despite the dismal result, there seems to be plenty of potential investors willing to provide funds. The Japan Times said electronics company ROM could put in $751 million, and car maker Suzuki Motor may also invest. So there is clearly still a lot of interest. Ziehl-Abegg is investing $154.4 million in a new production plant in the United States. It's a huge investment for the manufacturer, which is looking to expand its presence in North America. The company currently has 230 staff in the US, and this is expected to reach 800 by 2030. They currently have 11 sales offices in North America, which are located in Mexico, the US, and Canada. Finally, Daikin will invest $220 million in a new residential air conditioning factory in Indonesia. According to a report in Nikkei Asia, the plant will begin operations in December 2024. The factory will produce 1.5 residential R32 air conditioners per year. Future plans for the factory include using it as an export base for the Asian region and to eventually supply products worldwide. Well, that's it for our headlines this week, which were brought to you by Zone. Thank you for watching.